Not very often.
Why? Why not very often? It's fun.
Yeah, and it makes the dishes so clean.
And do you know she should use socks?
Why should she use socks?
Because Mom? I took these from the Lost and Found bucket.
Yeah. And is that instead of dishwashing gloves?
Yeah. So these fit me better. Look how high I can get the water.
Right.
Yeah.
So what's your reason for washing dishes by hand?
Because I have been so bad these days.
Oh. So washing dishes is going to make you not be bad?
Like, it's, yeah. Like, remember what you did to Alex? What's that? Ugh.
That's the dirty stuff from the dishes.
Yellow. Mom, do you know I scoop it up with the dirty water? Because I need to.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you pump some soap in there?
It looks like there is still some.
No, there isn't very much.
Is that hand soap or dishwashing soap in there?
I don't know.
Is it that stuff?
I just saw water in here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
With our egg.
Right. That was dishwashing soap.
Do you use that for washing dishes?
Yeah.
Oh. Just to make sure that it's the right kind of soap.
So after washing these dishes by hand, then you're not going to take a pan of cake downstairs to your room?
No.
All right. So next time Mommy looks in that box, there's not going to be no pan of cake.
Maybe.
Ooh,
I
I hope not.
I hope not. True. Because I don't know if this will help. I'm just trying to
Okay.
see if it will.
Okay.
And if it does not, I actually like doing dishes by hand.
That's
It's so
good.
fun.
Uh-huh.
It's like,
Well, you're hired, buddy.
What?
You're hired.
And I'll never get fired. You're hired and I'll never get fired. See, look what I do. I keep that for balance. And do you know why I have my hand in there still?
Why?
Because I need to. Then I need to do this. And I need to scoop it up, and then I need that rag again. I don't know why I'm using this rag.
No, I'm not sure. Well, you're doing a good job, buddy.
Yeah, I want these cups to be as clean.
Mm-hmm.
Very clean. That's why I still have it in.